Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Decentralized AI, Building Robust and Scalable Systems. What is AI? Imagine computers learning like humans. But where does this learning happen? Traditionally, it's all in one giant brain. Today, we explore a new way, decentralized AI, where the intelligence is spread out, making AI more robust, private, and fair. Think of it as moving from a single central command to a network of smart, collaborative agents. Think of a huge factory making all the shoes for the world. In AI, this is where all your data, photos, voice commands, goes to one company's giant server farm. They collect it all, train their AI model there, and then that model serves everyone. It's simple and powerful for sure. But what happens if the factory breaks down? Or if they only know how to make shoes for one type of foot? As developers, we need to understand the limitations of centralized AI. 1. Privacy concerns. All your personal, often sensitive, data is collected and stored in one place by a single entity. 2. Single point of failure. If the central server crashes, the AI stops working for everyone, leaving your application vulnerable. 3. Bias and fairness. If the training data comes from a limited source, the AI might not work well or be fair for everyone. 4. Scalability and cost. Training massive AI models for billions of users is incredibly expensive and resource-intensive for one company to manage. Instead of one giant factory, imagine many small, local workshops collaborating. Decentralized AI means distributing the work, data processing, and decision-making across many different computers or devices. It's about breaking down that one big brain into a network of smaller, interconnected brains. This approach aims to solve the problems of privacy, robustness, and scalability we just discussed. Here are some core ideas you'll encounter. 1. Federated learning. Imagine you want to train an AI for predictive text on your phone. Instead of sending all your typing data to a central server, your phone learns locally and only sends a summary of what it learned, like a recipe update, back to a central server. The server combines these updates without ever seeing your raw data. Your data stays private. 2. Blockchain DLT. Distributed ledger technology. Think of a shared, unchangeable digital notebook. Developers can use this to record AI model versions, track data origins, or even create incentives for participants, ensuring trust and transparency without a single central authority. 3. Edge AI. This is about running AI directly on your device, like your phone, smart speaker, or even a tiny camera, instead of constantly sending data to the cloud. This makes AI faster, more private, and works even without an internet connection. Why should developers care? Privacy Guard. Your sensitive data stays on your device, giving users more control and enhancing privacy. Unbreakable systems. No single point of failure. If one part goes down, others can continue, making your applications incredibly robust and reliable. Fairer AI. Training on diverse local data can potentially reduce bias and make AI work better for more people globally. Massive scalability. Distributing computation allows for much larger, more complex AI systems without central bottlenecks, making them more efficient and accessible. Democratization. More individuals and smaller organizations can participate in and benefit from AI development. Fostering innovation. Decentralized AI isn't just a concept. It's a rapidly growing field with immense potential. From creating privacy-preserving healthcare applications to powering smart cities with local AI, the possibilities are vast as a developer. Understanding these principles opens doors to building the next generation of AI systems that are more private, robust, and accessible to everyone. Start exploring frameworks and tools that support federated learning and decentralized architectures to be at the forefront of this exciting revolution. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.